Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, another receiver for the G7P 7-channel controller from Flysky, and this is a tiny little receiver. It's the FS R4P 3.5 to 8.4 volt IPX4 water resistant. It's a 4-channel receiver, so you got your little 4 channels. Quite a nice tiny little footprint, and I think this will again be a good one to put in the THETA cars. So first thing we're going to want to do is remove the receiver that we've already got in this. So let's get the body shell off. So I've just removed the FGR4B, and this is the one with the DVB external LiPo monitor that we're running with the MB4 and the Pro. I'm going to take that out because we've got other RCs I want to run that one in, and all we've got to do now is find somewhere to mount the tiny little FS-R4P. So first off, we're going to get the steering servo connected. So channel 1 is to the bottom, and it also tells you which way round you've got your plugs. So it's negative to the outside, and we'll just quickly connect the ESC up. And then what I'm going to do is get a little bit of tape on the bottom of this and find somewhere nice and flat to mount it out of the way. And on the Frog we've got the little shelves inside, so I'm going to aim for one of them and see how it fits. Right, so very quickly fitted it, and I'll pop a video up round here somewhere so you can see a real close-up of how it's fitted. But quite impressed. Takes up very little space inside the RC, no chance of it catching on anything, and just with 2 little bits of tape it's in there pretty solid. So that's not going to come out. So let's get you in for a close-up and show you how we bind this up to the remote and how we set the model memory up. So first thing we're going to need to do is turn on the transmitter. Then you're going to want to go into memory. We're going to want to go into our model select. We're going to want to select a new model. Then we're going to want to give it a name. So once we've got that set, we can come out. We know the model is completely reset, so we've got no endpoint set or anything, and no steering trim, anything like that. Right, so once you've got your model memory set up, we're going to go to bind set. We're going to have it on one way, standard, PWM S.BUS, analog, and start. And then you're going to connect your power, and you should see the receiver start flashing quickly, and then should back out of the binding, and that is all bound up and connected. And then we're going to want to go into here, go into endpoint adjust, and we can see we're definitely oversteering. So if we go in, turn this travel down, and then we can slowly turn the travel up. Until we get to a point where we're comfortable with the amount of steering. Then we'll go into as right hand. Then we're going to want to adjust this one. So we've got full steering in either direction. So what we should have now is full throttle, brake, reverse, and then there's full amount of travel on the steering left and right. And then what you've got on the control, so if you want to quickly trim the steering, we can press this. And just quickly recheck his endpoints. And that's it. Fully calibrated, fully set up. So let's wrap this one up. Right, so there you have it. That is the FS R4P antennaless or internal antenna receiver and the Flysky 7GP. We'll get there with these model numbers. Really nice, tidy and small receiver, and pretty nice fit in the little Tamiya cars. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, share to friends and family. I'll catch you guys again in the next one.